Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to discuss one of the interesting and important topics of production planning and control, that is chapter number 4. The question is, discuss the principles of scheduling, explain briefly the relationship between routing and scheduling. This is your lecture number 36, syllabus 2016. And this question already comes in June 2018 examinations, carries 8 marks, so very important for your examination point of view. So without any wasting further time, let's get started. So first we need to understand the meaning of scheduling. Scheduling means this is one type of process for arranging, controlling, optimizing work and workload in a particular process. Scheduling क्या होता है? ये अरेंज करता है, arranging, controlling, optimizing, work and workloads in a production process, or you can say manufacturing process. Okay, so scheduling is the process of arranging, controlling, optimizing work and workloads in a मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस, प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस. शेड्यूलिंग एक टाइम होता है दैट रिक्वायर टू अकम्प्लिश फॉर ईच ऑपरेशन एंड ऑल्सो टाइम दैट शुड बी रिक्वायर टू अकम्प्लिश एंटायर सीरीज एज रूटेड. शेड्यूलिंग सिलेक्ट करता है स्टार्टिंग एंड द कंप्लीशन टाइम फॉर ईच ऑफ द ऑपरेशंस विथ ए व्यू टू एंगेज एवरी मशीन and operator of the system for the maximum possible time and without imposing unnecessary burden over them. So scheduling एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम होता है, टाइम प्रोग्राम होता है जो कि एंगेज करता है एवरी मशीन एंड ऑपरेटर ऑफ द सिस्टम फॉर द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल टाइम एंड विदाउट imposing unnecessary burden over them. So scheduling is the selection of the time that should be required to accomplish each operation and also the time that should be required to finish the entire series as routed. So then what are the principles of scheduling? Scheduling tends to achieve maximum efficiency when the task size are small. First and most important, the principles of optimum task size means scheduling tend to achieve maximum efficiency when the task size are small and all tasks of some magnitude. means टास्क का साइज ऑप्टिमम होना चाहिए, मतलब जितना स्मॉल हो सके, नॉट टू लार्ज. टेंड टू अचीव मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी व्हेन द टास्क साइज आर स्मॉल एंड ऑल टास्क ऑफ सेम मैग्नीट्यूड. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ optimum task size, the principles of optimum task size, right? Then second important principles of scheduling is principles of optimum production plan. Principles of optimum production plan means equal load per day, no more no less. Principle of optimum production plan means the planning should be such that it impose an equal load on all plant. equal load होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए कि लेस भी नहीं होना चाहिए. no more no less, so that it will not affect the machine. okay, principle of optimum production plan, ऐसा प्रोडक्शन प्लान होना चाहिए जो कि इक्वल लोड मशीन के ऊपर इक्वल लोड रहे. नो मोर प्रेशर, नो लेस प्रेशर. द प्लानिंग शुड बी सच दैट इट इम्पोज ऑन इक्वल लोड ऑन ऑल प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, राइट? देन नंबर 3, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ऑप्टिमम सीक्वेंस. सीक्वेंस मीन्स व्हाट? सीक्वेंस मीन्स प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फ्लो. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फ्लो को ध्यान में रखना है. मीन्स शेड्यूलिंग टेंड्स टू अचीव द मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी when the work is planned so that work hours are normally used in some sequence. जिसको कहते हैं वर्क फ्लो. You can say principle of flow also, principle of flow, or you can say workflow. ऐसा फ्लो में होना चाहिए. Achieve the maximum efficiency when the work is planned so that work hours are normally used in the same sequence. And now the relationship between routing and scheduling. So routing means what? Routing means, as the name suggests, means selection of the route to be followed by each part being transferred from input into final product. Input means material into final product or finished product, you can say. So routing is a process of selecting a path. In simple language, routing is a process of selecting a path. So you can write that routing is one type of process of selecting a path, right? Both routing and scheduling are interconnected, as scheduling is difficult without routing, and routing also not effective without scheduling, right? Routing is a prerequisite for scheduling, while time to be taken may form the basis of routing, and that is fixed by scheduling. Routing and scheduling are, you can say, are interconnected. Routing and scheduling are always interconnected. Scheduling are always interconnected, and either of these activities cannot be undertaken independently. ये दोनों interdependent है each other and cannot be done independently. So routing is a prerequisite for scheduling. You can write that routing is the prerequisite for scheduling, right? While time to be taken may form the basis of routing, and that is fixed by scheduling. Unless route or sequence of operations, tools, equipment, and plants and the persons by when operation are to be performed are established, the time taken by each operation, the ideal time of man and machine, and time for the whole process cannot be ascertained in a convincing manner. Conversely, you can say scheduling is equally important for routing. It is quite difficult to route an item efficiently through a plant without consulting previously making schedules. The main of routing is to pass the item through the process of manufacture by a route which is the best and the most economical, and a route or sequence of operations may be considered best which utilizes the main materials and machines to the maximum and which consumes the shortest time during the process of production. This information, that is time schedule of each operation, can be obtained from schedules. So scheduling is necessary for effective routing. So routing and scheduling both are interconnected. Both routing and scheduling are interconnected. Scheduling is difficult without routing, and routing is also not effective without scheduling. Routing is a prerequisite for scheduling, while time to be taken may form the basis of routing, and that is fixed by scheduling. So this is it all about the principles of scheduling and the relationship between routing and scheduling. You can write first the meaning of scheduling. You can write in simple language that scheduling is a process of arranging, controlling, optimizing work and workloads in a production process. Scheduling is that time which required to accomplish each operation, and also scheduling is that time it should be required to accomplish entire series as routed. Like, and routing क्या है? Routing is the selection of the route to be followed by each part being converted from input, that is raw materials, into final product. Or you can say in simple language, routing is a process of selecting a path in the production process. Okay, so what are the principles of scheduling? 1, 2, 3 scheduling. Three schedulings. One is the principles of optimum task size. Optimum means that should be within the control, means that should be as small as possible. The principles of optimum task size. Then number 2, principles of optimum production plan, means that should be equal load on each plant, no more no less. Then principles of optimum sequence. Sequence means flow, principle of flow or workflow. Okay, so these three principles you need to remember. First, principles of optimum task size, then principles of optimum production plan, and principles of optimum sequence. And the relationship between routing and scheduling, as we know that both routing and scheduling are interconnected, as scheduling is difficult without routing and routing is also not effective without scheduling. Routing is a prerequisite for scheduling, while time to be taken may form the basis of routing, and that is fixed by scheduling. Okay, so this is it all about the principles as well as the relationship between routing and scheduling. So thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.